What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back now to video, and today we're looking at the ILIFE T10s. Pretty much if you are looking for a robot vacuum, you need something that will automatically sucks out the dirt so that you don't have to keep opening the vacuum. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these. Links is down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well and hit that like button. So let's open it up. Here we go. So on top here you get some literature. You also get the vacuum right here, mopping and extra filter, mopping pad right there, extra padding, couple extra brushes as well, and the cleaning base right here. Now surprisingly, this is not that heavy, so for those of you who are wondering, this is really handy to have because some of the things that I've reviewed on this channel with the base is pretty heavy, but with this it's not heavy at all. So it has a bag up top here. Let's get the vacuum in here. There we go. That's what it looks like. Now it should look like this when you set it up. Pretty much the base on the back and the vac just sits on front of it like so, and then plug it in. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and download the Tuya Smart app, and then we're gonna register and sign in, and then we're gonna add the new ILIFE T10s. Once you've added it on the app, it'll connect now to our network. Make sure that you are using a 2.4 gigahertz network, and then as you could see, it'll automatically does it for you. And then we're just gonna hit done here and start a new smart cleaning. If you want your vacuum to mop as well, I'll just add the water on the base right here. Now we can go ahead and hit smart clean, and pretty much right here it'll map out your home and it'll create its own map. It'll actually automatically, once it has enough information, it'll automatically break it down to zones as well. And even crazier than that, you'll be able to see where the vacuum actually went because it'll have a white line that follows along on a zigzag formation, which is really awesome because then if it does miss a certain spot, then you could just go back to it. Now, a few features of the ILIFE T10s, you'll be able to use the app to schedule cleaning, and that is really good when you don't want to touch your phone and it'll automatically just clean your home without you even knowing it, which is really good. It also has a LiDAR sensor which has 4,000 per second SLAM scanning and mapping. It has a precise LDS navigation as well, so that you can experience fast and efficient cleaning. With 360 scanning, the T10s gets 2 times faster mapping for higher coverage to create most efficient cleaning without missing any spots. Now the best thing is it has auto detection. It can go up the carpet and the floor, and it'll know to suck more if it's on the carpet and to stop the mopping if it goes to the carpet, which is really awesome. You don't have to worry about that. It does it automatically. It also has a very powerful suction up to 3000 PA while vacuuming. It is powerful enough to sweep any debris, particles, and dust for deep cleaning from hardwood to tile flooring. The self-emptying station as well is really good because it has 20,000 PA of dust collection suction. The self-empty station can automatically empty the robot's dustbin in 20 seconds after cleanup without clogging. This also has mopping and vacuuming, and it does it all at the same time. So once it sucks in all the debris in front, it will then mop it right away, which is a very efficient way to do it because then it doesn't have to go around twice. The mopping is way better than any vacuum as well because it has that wide path cleaning. It has full coverage and deep cleaning. It won't miss any spots. The wide path cleaning with unique mopping motion ensures higher cleaning efficiency and full coverage. Full stains have nowhere to hide and leave your floors gleaming. For those of you who have kids and also pets, maybe they have toys laying around, you can create no-go zones on the app as well really quickly. And it's just very nice to see that you can create that within just the app. You don't need any metal bearing or anything like that. The app will be able to recognize it and transfer it to the vacuum so it doesn't go to the no-go zones. The self-cleaning bag as well is good up to 60 days, so you don't have to change the bag out for 2 months, 2 full months, which is really awesome. Imagine not having to touch your vacuum at all for 60 days. The ILIFE T10s also has a multi-floor mapping. You can save up to 5 maps. You can scan multiple floors of your home and save up to 5 maps. Easy to get a customized cleaning and clean different floors of your home at your will. And for those of you who are wondering, it has multiple settings as well, 4 modes for the vacuum itself and 3 water level settings. If you want like less water, if you want the vacuum to use less water or more water, you could do that as well. This also has a really good battery life, which is good for 150 minutes. Most vacuum actually, if you have a big enough house that has 2100 square footage, for example, or more than 2000 square footage, you're gonna have to like vacuum it twice. For example, the vacuum will do like maybe half the house or maybe quarter of the house for the most instance, and then you'll need to like charge the vacuum. But in this case, with 150 minutes, you are good up to deep cleaning throughout your home. You can easily clean up to 2152 square footage home, large scale house without any interruptions. Now, of course, this is compatible as well with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistants. You could just tell Alexa or Google to turn on or off ILIFE robot, which is cool. Another cool feature of the ILIFE T10s is that it's slimmer and more flexible. It can clean without obstacles. It is equipped with cutting-edge sensors that the robot achieves better cleaning in complex environments without dropping and collisions. Its slim body is unique side brush design make it easy to clean dirt, debris, and hair under furniture or from corners to edge. With its strong anti-tangling ability, it can fit most couches, underneath chairs as well, and tables.
Start charging. Start dust collecting.
So this is the ILIFE T10s. Up here is where you can clean. Take off this bag right here. By doing this, actually closes the bag right there, so it doesn't fly away the dirt. Putting it back, it's just as easy as that. There you go. Vacuum right here can be cleaned as well. So here is where you can take off the mop on the side here by doing this. This whole thing comes off, as you can see there. And then to open this part right here, which you probably don't need to open too much because the dirt will be sucked in to the self-cleaning base, but you can clean the filter right here by removing it, and then that's how you can fill up the water tank. And you can take off the mop by clicking these two right here, and this will just come off. If you want to just use just the vacuum part. These two are removable. This is easy to clean as well by clicking this right there, and then you can take this off and clean the brush. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new robot vacuum and mop. This is from ILIFE, the T10s. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.